Hey guys, I'm Oakley at Oakley Does Everything, and today we're going to be making this foam armor set for our Jaune Arc Cosplay. Stay tuned.
Alright, I have my heat gun. I'm going to go ahead and hit the back of this and just kind of curve it around because this is going to go on my left shoulder right here, and I want a good arch on it. There's a general idea. It's kind of hard to see, it looks like a shadow, but I think that'll work. I don't think I need to cut the exact shape. We'll save material this way. Okay, so we got our chest prototype armor done, and I went back and I changed it up. I like how it turned out, the looks of it, the layering of it, I do really like, but of course it needs to fit on me. And so I did go back and change some of my templates, and basically I changed every piece except for the abdomen part. The chest, I added a little bit up here and a little bit longer piece that goes up to the shoulder. Same thing on the back. The back, I made it go higher, and all the pieces that come around the side, like this bottom back piece, as well as the two side pieces on both sides, I extended so that way they are longer and then actually get all the way around. And this isn't going to be a single piece armor that I can just slip on over top of me. I'm actually going to have leather straps that go over the shoulders to connect the front to the back, and I'm also going to have leather straps that connect the side pieces to the front. And I bought some leather straps, so I'll do that in the final product, but I'm not going to mess with that yet. So I went to my Harbor Freight and got another pack of foam mat. Now we're going to go ahead and start working on what is going to be the actual armor. So we can get rid of this for now, and we're going to go ahead and start tracing it onto our new mat and start cutting it out and be a little bit more careful and a little bit more precise with it. Take our foam pieces and we're going to just go ahead and clean up the edges a little bit with my oscillating sander and see what it ends up looking like. I haven't sanded foam before, so I'm actually going to use a scrap piece first before I use our hero pieces. Okay, so that worked well, so I'm going to move on to my hero pieces and just clean everything up. Right now I'm going to do is take my heat gun and just heat up these pieces and give them a rough form. I'm gonna take my Dremel tool and we're just gonna go ahead and clean up any of the edges where the border kind of sticks out over or under the base foam or the main part of the foam armor. Just to clean it up and give it a nice edge. Alright, so I'm going to put my sleeves on because I'm going to go ahead and start working on the elbow and the forearm pieces, and I just want to make sure that they fit around the sleeves that I'm going to be wearing. That way I don't go to put them on and they're too tight.
really happy with how it's turned out so far. Adding these accent pieces around each of the edges, I'm really pleased with how they're looking, how they give a different dimension to the whole armor aspect of it. The shaping and the fitment is going really well, and I'm excited to get this thing painted because after I get it painted, I can go ahead and start putting on the leather straps that are going to allow me to actually put all of it on and strap it in and whatnot. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. That way you know whenever I upload a new video. I'm trying to make sure I upload at least once a week. Sometimes it's every other week depending on what's going on. And if you think this would be helpful to somebody, make sure to share it with them. I also have an Instagram page, it's the same name, Oakley Does Everything, so please go give me a follow on that. I put a lot of different footage on that page as well as a blooper reel if I have it. And that's going to be it. So have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.